Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Canva video editing app. First, open Canva and select Video from the design options. You'll find various video formats like mobile video or YouTube video, each with specific dimensions. Choose a blank canvas or explore the vast collection of pre-designed templates to kickstart your project. This initial step sets the foundation for your creative video journey, making it super easy to get started, even if you're a complete beginner. Once your project is open, you'll see the editing timeline at the bottom. Here, you can easily drag and drop your video clips. To trim a clip, simply click and drag its edges. You can also split a clip into two separate parts with a single click. Experiment with adjusting the playback speed from half speed to 2 times faster and control the audio volume for each segment. These fundamental tools give you precise control over your video's flow. Now, let's make your video pop. On the left sidebar, explore the Elements tab for a treasure trove of graphics, stickers, and animated illustrations. Drag and drop them onto your video and resize as needed. Head over to Audio to find a wide selection of music and sound effects to set the perfect mood. Don't forget to add engaging transitions between your video clips for a polished, seamless viewing experience. You've created an amazing video, and now it's time to share it with the world. Before exporting, always preview your entire project to catch any last-minute adjustments. When you're satisfied, click the Share button in the top right corner. Select Download and choose MP4 video for the best quality. You can also directly share your video to various social media platforms, reaching your audience with just a few clicks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.